Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video on my channel. Now I know you guys are probably wondering, Luke, what the heck are you doing right now? And yes, this is a different style of video. I know most videos I do on my cars is like fixing stuff, and obviously when the vehicles are just parked stationary. But today I'm doing a little video of a perspective of driving my 2007 Lincoln Town Car Signature Limited at night. And the reason why I'm doing this video is because I just wanted to show you guys the perspective of driving this vehicle at night, and more importantly, what it looks like inside at night. Because, I mean, you all can just like look up pictures of what it looks like during the day or like watch other people's videos, but rarely do people do like night POV driving. So I just wanted to do that for you guys because I just think this is a really cool experience driving this car at night. And obviously you can see how bright, like I don't even have my high beams on right now. That's how bright the Auxito LED low beam bulbs are. So that's why I definitely recommend getting Auxito bulbs, because they're extremely bright. I mean, if I had halogens, I'd probably have half that light out there if I had my old incandescent ones in. So yeah, it was definitely a huge upgrade. But as you can see, we're cruising along, doing about 45 right now. Might have to stop up here. Yeah, we're gonna have to stop up here at this light, unfortunately. But you can kind of see what the interior looks like at night. It kind of has a nice like green hue to everything. The gauges and whatnot are red. But this is one thing that I've never really talked about in any of my other videos, because it only applies at night or like whenever your dash lights turn on. This is one of the major things that I love about these town cars, is the green and red like dash light interior. Not only does it look like Christmas, so I really like that about it, it's also just like so like soothing at night. You know, all these new cars, they have these like bright white dash lights and you know, like instrument panel lights and stuff like that. And not even that, nowadays they just have a bunch of screens. So nowadays this is a screen, and over here is a screen, and some don't even like have a way to turn off the center screen, and obviously this one's always going to be on, so that's blinding at night kind of, unless it somehow dims itself. And also, even if they don't have a screen, most dash lights these days are just like white and blinding, so it's really soothing to sit in a car with like green lights like this. That was one of my favorite things about our old 2003 Jetta wagon, our black car that I used to make videos on back towards the beginning of the channel. I never really showed it because I wasn't driving back then, but that car had blue and red interior lights, which is also very cool. Like everything, all the dash lights were blue for the most part, and then the gauges were red like in here. So I really like it when manufacturers make colors like this, because it just shows that they actually put thought into their product and actually kind of made something cool. Nowadays, manufacturers just slap white lights or whatever in their stuff and call it good, which is kind of annoying. But yeah, I just really like the soothingness of it. Let me go ahead and turn onto this road. Yeah, this is just a little POV of me driving my town car at night. I've never really showed this. I don't know if I've ever really showed a video of me driving in general, but I definitely haven't done one about night. So I just wanted to show that to you guys real quick. And I know I talk a lot in my videos, so I'm going to go ahead and shut up for the next like half a minute or a minute and let you guys just enjoy the night drive in silence. Alright, so as you can see, I just turned on the high beams here. And the thing is, even though the high beams are still the old halogen bulbs, the high beams are aimed to shoot farther, so technically it still does improve your vision. But those Auxito LED low beams really make a huge difference, because you wouldn't have half the visibility that you have without those, honestly. So there's that. And one other thing I forgot to mention that I really like about this interior at night is how the little Lincoln clock over here glows green. It's really one of my favorite things. I mean, I like how all the dash lights glow green, but that Lincoln clock glowing green is one of my favorite things ever, because it's just like, I don't know, it's like even more just like soothing green light and whatnot. So it just makes me happy. But yeah, I love this interior at night. I love this interior in general, but at night it's just even better. So I'm gonna go ahead and sign off now. I don't want this video to go too long because there's not really a point to it. I just thought I'd show you my POV of driving at night. I'm coming home from work right now, if you were wondering. It's around 9:30 at night. But yeah, I just thought I'd show you guys real quick. Just a quick little 5-minute video of the POV of driving at night. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and as always, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for my latest videos. And I'll see you in the next one, guys. Thanks for watching.